Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
They know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So while we have that going, we're going to work on our chicken. This is already soaked in some vinegar and lime water. We'll wash it out. Just going to throw this off and rinse it. Nice little sunday dinner. Wash the skin clean. I already went ahead and I clean out the carcass or the crevices nice and clean. And we're just using dark meat here, leg and thigh. That's what we're using. Skin wash nice and clean, right? Pour that off, just rinse off the excess vinegar. So just gonna remove the skin from the chicken. We're doing some fricassee. I don't want any skin. So just remove that skin. But we're not gonna throw the skin out because we're gonna be using it further on in the cooking process. Where the tail feathers go, we're gonna twist that off because we're gonna use that, right? Yeah, man. Alright, so we're just gonna grab the skin, add them to a separate container. Just gonna go in between the joint bone, get off that drumstick nice and clean, and then for the thigh, we're gonna go right down that backbone. Cut it down like that. There we go. Because again it's fricassee, so we're gonna cut each thigh into 3 pieces. So we're gonna season that now with a bit of black pepper, garlic powder. If you have onion powder, you can use that as well. And I'm using what I have. I don't have any fresh ingredients like that. I'm gonna go in some dry thyme, about a teaspoon. Paprika for color, but I'm going to with a cayenne that can give you some color as well as spice. Going in some cayenne, about a teaspoon and a half. Give you a nice color on the chicken. We're going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning, about 2.5 tablespoons thereabout, but I'm going to use 2 different all-purpose. So a tablespoon here, another tablespoon of a mixed one with all the herbs and spices. I'm going to go in with half tablespoon of jerk seasoning because again I don't have all the pimento berries, but in a jerk seasoning you have those, right? Half tablespoon. Have videos out on the channel on these traditional way, but I'm just using whatever I have, right? So we're just gonna go in. Normally I put a little bit of oil on here, season up everything, but we're good to go. You can put green seasoning, anything you want, but just check out this way. Real quick and easy. Whatever I have in the kitchen, that's what I'm using before I go shopping again. So it's gonna massage the seasoning in, get that nicely marinated, right? So look, fully seasoned right through, right? I'm just gonna set this down. Not gonna marinate it for too long. We're gonna marinate it for about 30 minutes while I work on the other ingredients. Just wash these nice and clean. For the tomato, we just need like some wedges. Add that onto a plate. Onion, just gonna chop that up. Carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, onion and tomato. We have a scalding hot pan. Gonna go in with that leftover chicken skin. So we're trying to extract as much flavor as we can from this dish. So we'll get that chicken skin going. And we're going to produce our own oil. So that chicken is nice and flavorful. So we're extracting our own oil so that we can fry up our chicken. Gonna fry these until they're nice and golden on a medium low heat. We're just gonna remove these now. Got them nice and crisp. We got the excess oil that we needed. We're gonna add our chicken pieces now. Gonna fry these for about 5 or so minutes per side, or until it's entirely golden brown. You're getting some nice color. Alright, we're gonna remove these. Got some nice little color on them, and it's cooked to about 20%. So there we go. Gonna add our potato and carrot in. So now we're gonna have that flavor. Gonna season with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon. Stir that in. Gonna add some hot water to that, just to cover them. Beautiful. Give that a stir. Gonna go in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, tablespoon of soy sauce for color as well as for flavor. Give that a stir. Then we're gonna add our chicken pieces. Alright, there we go. So we're just gonna cover this and allow it to slowly stew for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the sauce is nice and thick. Cover that up. Let's go. Holy. Gonna add in our tomatoes, peppers, and onion. Just to bring that natural flavor in here. The sauce is getting nice and thick from the potatoes. I'm gonna allow this to cook for another 5 more minutes so the sauce can thicken up fully, and we should be good to go. Chicken is nice and ready. I'm gonna kill the heat. Beautiful. So guys, we try some peas, aka rice and peas, and some seeds, but I add tomato and cucumbers because I like it, you know. Up and running. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel on the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.